Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I made from the Bargain Bead box for the month of December of 2021. I know this is a little late because it's January already, but with the holidays and my daughter's wedding, I'm a little behind on everything. So I ended up putting away anything that had to do with Christmas, like the snowflakes and all those pieces. I put those away, wrapped them up, and put them away for next Christmas because they were really pretty, but I didn't want to make anything that I couldn't use for a year. So, so here's what I made. Started out with this. I will put pictures up at the end if you watch it to the very end. So this is one of the first pieces that I made. It's a necklace. And there are a few things from my stash, I think, but pretty much everything was like these little covers, crimp covers, and this little bit of chain. But everything else was from the Bargain Bead box. So I made this. This is really pretty. Then I made this bracelet. Now I did take this butterfly from the Dollar Bead box subscription and I put it on here because it just matched so well. So it was so pretty. And I did use a few of my other pieces. I made this a while ago. I'm trying to remember. I think, oh, okay. These little Miyoki seed beads right here. But other than that, everything was from this box, and I put it on memory wire. So it's got the little dangles and very pretty. And then I made these earrings. Oh, these earrings that go with it. You can see those. These little bead covers I got a while ago from Auntie's Beads. And so I used those. But they're just cute little dangly earrings, and I used the chain too. So I've got these. And then I also made these. I loved this little piece of hammered silver. I just thought it was so pretty. And I was going to use it on a necklace. I saw a couple of the other beaders use it and put it together on a necklace, but I just wanted to make a pair of earrings with it. I just thought they were so cute. So I made these with those. Get this. So I think that is everything that I used for the Bargain Bead box. Let me put this together. And I will show pictures up at the end. I hope everybody had a good new year. Looking forward to a good 2022. I have lots of things planned for my channel now that my daughter's wedding is over and I can concentrate more on all this stuff. The wedding was beautiful, went off without a hitch, and she's happily married now. So here's everything right here. Get these situated here. I didn't realize they were out of camera, out of focus. Oh, get those out. There we go. Okay. Yes, it was a beautiful box for the month of December, and I'm looking forward to January's box to see what they have. So stay tuned for this year. I'm looking forward to a lot of videos with a lot of tutorials on how to make things. I've had some of you guys post on my channel asking me how I make my jewelry, so I'm definitely going to be putting some videos up showing everybody how I do it and how I pick out my stuff. So thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe so I know you like it, and that way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And I also do have an Etsy channel that I will link below if you want to follow me on there. I do post most of my stuff up there for sale afterwards. And I do, hopefully by the end of the month of January, I'd like to do a giveaway of a couple pieces that I've made that don't have to do with the boxes, but just things that I made, just to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel and following me and supporting this. I just love making jewelry. It's one of my passions, so just to be able to do it, I feel blessed. So thank you, everybody, and you guys have a great day.